What's up, guys? And today we're going to attempt to install a bracket on the truck for the back seat. Never done it. I haven't even watched any videos on how to do it, so we're going to learn this together. It's starting to rain, so hopefully we can get this figured out before it actually really comes down. All right, so the goal is make this back seat fold down. Like right now, can't do it. And so the object here is to be able just to pull this down, lay it down. I thought you could raise this up and then be able to pull it down, but you can't. So that's where this comes into play. Now I just gotta figure out how to release the back. Maybe? There we go. Alright, so what I had to do was this little lever here. I had to move that to break this free. Okay, so you can see it's locked in position. I was able to lift that and it broke it free. I'll show you the other side. It is in the locked position. Take this, pull it, and it unlocks it. This sits over top of this. Alright, so I had to go get my torque set. And it looks like it might be a 30. Yep. Two bolts out. So like this. But before you do that, put that in there. Alright, so just remove the two bolts, slide your bracket piece in, and this is what, so if you lock it, then you can just pull it like that. And that gives you access up here to lift that up to disconnect this. So now, you have to line it back up, so too high. What we can do is this. Alright, so if you raise the lower part of your seat up, that'll help latch that in. Alright, well maybe I won't. All right, there we go. There we go. So seat all the way down, bottom pad all the way down. Grab the lever, pull it up, then you can fold this seat down, and it opens up the back half for a little bit more storage. Grab the lever, pull it up. I'll put a link down in the description. I think I bought this off of eBay for like $9. So I'll give you a link to that. And it comes pretty quickly from a place out of Kentucky, I believe. So it's starting to rain now, so I'm glad I actually got it done pretty quickly. Really, it's only about a 5-minute job. T30 Torx. An impact. 5 minutes. And it's done. And I've still yet to do anything with my winch. As you can see, it's all coiled around there. Forgot to take my flag off like a dummy. I've got my winter project here on the floor. And I don't know, does anybody buy stock intakes anymore? I don't know if that is even worth saving. Yeah, I don't know if that's even worth saving, so let me know down below. Alright, so what I did is I threw my dog that passed away here a few months ago. I got her blanket in here that'll, I'll never let it, or it'll never leave the truck. Diesel 911 because it's getting to be summertime, so I don't need it. And my ball that I don't really use because I've got a gooseneck. So now I'm storing that back here. That frees up some space down here for my straps. And my normal stuff that I use more often. My treatments and a towel to wipe my hands and stuff off with. But it opens up a lot more space down here and puts it back there where it's hidden and doesn't get used very often. So that's a really quick little easy job that you can do, even with me not even knowing how to get the back down. It still only took a few minutes. So alright guys, thanks for watching. Check back for more videos.